Hello everyone, welcome to Train, where we make AI simple for you. My name is Ishan and I'll be your instructor for today. In today's episode, we're going to dive into Microsoft Copilot in Teams and Outlook, which is honestly a really cool tool to optimize meetings and email uses within a company. Okay, so we will first get into Copilot within Teams. For this tool, we're going to explain the features with visuals from Microsoft, as it is very hard to show real-time examples because it requires an actual live meeting to take place. So to begin, using Copilot in Teams, the meeting must be recorded as it needs to be able to transcribe what is being said. The first feature we will mention can be very helpful for executives who have a ton of meetings daily, so let's get right into it. If a member comes in late, they can prompt Copilot to ask what they missed, and Copilot will summarize the meeting in bullet points. This allows members to avoid scrambling when they have meetings that run into one another. Very neat, right? Well, there's more. You can also prompt Copilot to tell you who disagreed on a certain topic, or even if you need question recommendations for certain members in the meeting. If you want a more organized layout of what occurred in the meeting, Copilot can also turn the information into a table. All of these features allow for better discussions and organization of responses. Lastly, at the end of the meeting, it can summarize the key points, which eliminates the need for analysts to take notes or executives having to attend every meeting. Also, you could even summarize a Teams chat. Okay, so moving on to Microsoft Outlook, Copilot has two features it offers to assist you with your email automation and organization. These two features are Draft with Copilot and Coaching by Copilot. The Draft with Copilot feature allows you to draft an email or response, or even summarize a few emails from a specific sender. What I think is very helpful about this tool is the ability to find old emails and summarize a thread without having to find each email. This allows a company or employee to easily summarize conversations with clients to stay organized with information being shared or jobs being accomplished. Another neat feature is the ability to ask Copilot about your Outlook calendar, and it will tell you about your schedule and what you should prepare for in a specific meeting. It will scrape information for each email and attempt to give you a synopsis of what to expect in a particular meeting based on what is said in the emails. Lastly, the Coaching by Copilot feature offers you another perspective when drafting emails, as you can write a response and click the coaching button. This feature will give you its opinion on your response and what it thinks you need to do to edit and make it better. As always, we attach the link to your Microsoft login account if you're interested in purchasing Copilot. It is to be noted that you need a Copilot subscription within a Microsoft business account to access Copilot in Teams. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask the comment section and we will respond as soon as we can. There are many other ways you can utilize Copilot in Teams and Outlook, but we hope you have a better understanding of some of the key features. In the next episode, we're going to move on from Copilot and begin to talk about AI governance and chatbots. See you next time.